How to add YouTube channel link to TikTok profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube channel link directly to your TikTok profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are on your profile, just tap on the edit profile button. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option labeled as links. And now here, inside the links, you'll see three options. From there, simply select YouTube and the TikTok will ask you to log into your Google account to link your channel. So choose your YouTube account and give TikTok permission to access, and that's it. Now your channel is linked to your TikTok profile. And after that, anyone visiting your profile will see a YouTube icon under your bio. And when they tap on it, it will take them straight to your channel. And that's it. That's how you can add YouTube link to your TikTok profile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.